to create an abstract. An abstract is a short summary of your published or unpublished research paper, usually about a paragraph, 6 to 7 sentences, 250 till 250 words. Now, what it should add? It should have a standalone paragraph. What you are going to talk about, that should be an abstract. What your article has discussed, what exactly it has discussed, you will just talk about the information, the relevant information. Be short, not have a new or relevant information. You're not giving anything new. Just what you have discussed, you are just talking about it. Be consistent in your tone and style, be concise. Do not tell everything in abstract. Let people read other aspects as well. The function of an abstract,
it is to describe, not to evaluate or defend the paper. The abstract should begin with a brief but precise statement of the problem or issue, followed by a description of the research method and design, the major findings, and the conclusions reached. The abstract should contain the most important keywords referring to the method and content.
so it should start with the main idea, what you are going to talk about. Okay, how did you find your methodologies? Maybe some of the details of it, but nothing new. Everything that is mentioned in your research, you are only talking about that in the abstract. So abstract is one short thing that is a part of something big. Okay. Purpose of abstract: an abstract lets reader get the gist of essence of your paper or article quickly. That what is it about? An abstract prepares readers to follow the detailed information, analysis, and arguments in your full paper, that what you are going to discuss. Again, abstract is just the gist of what you are going to discuss. What is your main topic? That is why we understand, no, that why abstract only is it useful or not. An abstract helps readers remember key points from your paper. Whatever you said, is it matching that? Okay. Abstract include context or background of the information. Okay. Central question or statement of the problem of research. Main reasons, rationales, or the goals of the research. Why did you start it? What come to your mind? But again, you are not going to give everything. Some of these points you can add. Okay. Main finding, results, and arguments, analytical methods. How did you come up with this research point? Significance or implications of your findings or arguments. So why is this important to discuss? Right. Now the topic you have come across, I am quite sure that in India nobody must have come up with that topic, but maybe the people from other countries may have this discussion earlier. The topic you have. Again, I am not sure. I'm just giving you one area of going outside of the box, right? Elements will be introduction, research significance, methodology. Questions will be like introduction, you are just describing what have you discussed, why did you do this research, why it was important, and what methodology you used. You did surveys, you talked to people, you did a lot of study. How did you do it? Tell them. Then results, what kind of result people can expect at the end. So what did you find out after doing the research? Or what are the advantages of your method based on the result? And conclusion, what have you contributed? What's your contribution? Okay.